cookies. I should have been recording in real time because I was looking for this pillow. If I wouldn't have found it, I was gonna crash out. I'm not gonna lie, but I found this. I can be happy. It's so cute. It's so cute. Only me and my mom do things like this. Oh my god. Guys, I'm doing a horrible job at vlogging. I don't know. Out in public, I get a little nervy. I thought I had got over it when I was vlogging for that period when I was vlogging like every day. But like, I don't know. This winter time has like made it worse. Like I'm touching my face. But it's a blizzard outside. I mean, are we surprised? No. But I'm like, no more. Me personally, I will be moving to a warm state. Sorry, I just can't. Do you see this? Let me set the camera. Absolutely the heck not. But yeah. I put this headband on because I be wanting to wear my headband like the girlies are doing and covering their ears, and it looks so cute on them, but me, it does not look that cute. But I did it anyways. And then like the other thing about doing Vlogmas is I don't do anything really. And now that it's snowing like this, oh, best believe I won't be doing anything. Well, I hope not. I hope I do things and I hope the snow stops, but now that it's cold, I don't even want to get out of my bed. I just want to turn my TV on. I don't even watch TV. I just want to turn my TV on and get in the bed and, you know, chill. And that wouldn't be very interesting to vlog. So, I don't know, guys. But I'm trying to do better. Next week, hopefully I can break out of my shell and record something. Or maybe I'll record videos and not vlog. Tell me if you like that. Like if you want to see something. Like me do my makeup. Or something. We can do that. Or do like a bake with me or a cook with me. I think those would be fun. So maybe I'll try to incorporate some of that and not vlogs, because vlogs might be looking a little boring because I don't do anything. So yeah. Music. Okay. So, you know, we went to Marshall's, and I was like, let me show my friends what else I picked up. I was super excited about this because they have these at Urban Outfitters, and they're like $28 a piece. And I seen this little set for $14.99. So it has the cream, the spray, and the oil. So I was like, oh, what a deal. And I just be wanting to like smell them anyways. That's kind of cute. It's just like a gift. Oh, they're like mini. Okay, so that's fine. So I might go in my purse, but that's fine. The smell is kind of nice. Whoa. No, that's really nice. Oh yeah, I like that. That's really moisturizing. The smell is like almost kind of sweet, but it's a little musky at the same time. I don't know. She's cute, and I will throw that in my purse. Because I'm like, this will only make me mad if I put this on my dresser. I was like, oh, I'm about to use it. One use is going to be my whole body. So yes, in my purse. And then this is the body mist. All I smell is the lotion. Wait, the second smell was all alcohol. Okay. I wouldn't mind this. It's really, really sweet. And it's almost like a toasted vanilla kind of smell. But I like it. So both of these will definitely make it to my purse. I didn't know it was this one. Oh my gosh. I wanted this. I don't know if I recorded it in the last vlog when I went to Urban Outfitters, but I tested this out and I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so pretty on the skin. Because it's like low-key sparkly. Now this one isn't going in my purse. Because just in case, I don't need nothing spilled out. Oh. Like, it's so subtly sparkly. Like, it's more like shiny than sparkly. The smell is familiar, but I don't know. Tell what though? I feel like it's something I used to wear. Wow, so cute. And I mean, the top locks, so. Oh. These cutie little minis, I'm so excited. Yes, I'm gonna throw these in my purse. And this one, that's in here. So like when I put on a fit or something, I need a little glow. It's gonna be so cute. Love. 10 out of 10 recommend.
nigga wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out.